Hi, it's now 2021 and it's March
19th.
19th.
Actually, it's today is the day that I have been back for 1 year.
Oh, fucking hell, we should drink.
We are.
Oh yeah. Anyway, I just want to show you guys what's happening here. So this is Palairos, as you can see. They cleaned up their whole street. There were some trees here, but not anymore. And they poured this concrete sidewalk here, as you can tell. And there's got to be some wooden rafters or something. And these blocks are going to go in the water. There are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. They're going to go in the water and they're going to be connected to each other by chain. And they're going to serve as lazy lines for the boats that are going to be moored up here. This is going to be drenched, apparently up to 2 meters depth.
Yeah, that's what they said. Yeah, you can see it already here.
Yeah. So all the boats that are on the quay present, they're going to go all going to go over here. Except for us, we're going to go for anchor because that's what we do.
And over here already is a line.
Yeah, that's a fisherman's line or something. Yeah.
Yeah, there's also a block somewhere there.
Yeah.
Now those might all be blocks, all the buoys, you think, or?
Don't know. I think there might be blocks. Yeah. And these boats are going to go on the blue pontoon as always, and the quay where we're on is going to be owned by MG Charter Company. Oh well. So anyway, there's a lot happening. We'll show you around more. And this is giving the pontoon a little touch up. Look at these old chains. Look how far it's scathed. Wow. Something's definitely happening here. Seems like they're gonna pour in some concrete or something. Guess we'll see. Okay, so I found out what it is. It's to make blocks, big concrete blocks with a bit of barbed wire. So, and they will probably serve as lazy line attachments or anchors or blocks. We'll see. So what you see here is the Odysseus fleet coming in. 9 of them today. And it's a very nice sight to see some sailboats on the horizon, although they're motoring. Here to go, mooring up for the beginning of the season. Well done. There's a little northerly coming in. I think it's blowing about, I don't know, maybe 6 knots. Hey! Nice to see our old friends again. I'm sure they had a lovely day in the water. Kind of envy them. Very nice, guys. Sorry? It's tricky because as you, yeah, so the wind's coming from the north. Sorry for the beer. The wind's coming from the north, and for the non-sailors among us, if the wind is blowing from the north, yeah, which is straight to his bow, the front of the boat, which makes the boat play. It's easier when you back up against the wind. So it's really tricky. What can we do? We don't have a dinghy. No, it's one person is enough to catch a line, isn't it?
Go with a bicycle and run over there, I guess.
Let's get out there. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. We'll have our side of them. Stop, a little forward. Get out there.
Ooh. Yeah, you got it? You got it?
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it.
Yes.
All good.
Varför står inne? Sigurd? Varför står inne? No.
All right, drop it right there. Really? No.
Are they moving because of the work to the...
Yeah, they're working on the pontoon.
They're gonna enforce the lines and the chains and check them all out.
Everything. All right, very good. Hooray. Excellent. Give you a little piece of that line.
Yeah, well done. Woo. Come on, see how far they were. Yeah, keep running here.
Hi.
Hello, darling.
Good. How are you?
Yes, fine.
Fine? Okay.
Don't got the camera, you. You've got birds.
Oh,
There's a big red ass there.
okay. Captain. Yes. Welcome to your spot on the quay.
Cheers. The family's back.
Hey, well done, huh?
Back puss in the house.